1 of business period 12 recap, and this is our first business period with our main position that we're working on as an executive director position. So remember, it started at 5,000, then it went to 12,000, and then it went to 21,000. And the configuration was right, so it moved to executive director. So we're working as executives, although we still don't have the suit and tie on, although we do have sleeves on today, which is quite strange, especially considering our weather here in November. If any of you have heard or seen, or maybe you live down here in San Diego County, today it's 90 degrees in November. It's just been gorgeous. So we're gonna hit the courts, and as you can see, we're out here on the playground, and just a beautiful, beautiful day out here today. So we thought we'd shoot this recap video of week 1 here outside. Hopefully you'll be able to join us at one of our get-togethers soon. So recap of week 1. We had the executive party last week, which was sort of like a phone call called a success call, where we congratulated all of the team members for their great growth in this last business period. And you'll be able to hear that conference call by going to the website 100daysto300k.com and checking it out there. The call will be uploaded, I think, today. And what we want you to listen for is just the excitement by the whole team for people achieving the next level. And if you can build that type of excitement around your group and get everyone fired up about supporting everyone else, the thing just grows so much faster. So that's really exciting. And then I got to tell you, about a week and a half ago, Heidi Sell, one of our team members, brought in one of her friends into the company called Kelly. And Kelly is, her past career is an executive recruiter, so she's got lots of contacts. And you know, a lot of folks are intimidated by bringing in someone that's already earned a lot of income. Don't be. Here's what we've learned about that situation. And I can tell you this because of my own experience, in the sense that I used to be intimidated many years ago when we first started. I always wanted to talk to people that had made less money than we made, because I thought, well, you know, they'll look up to us from day one. But what I learned about the group of people that already make 6 figures or more is that they're comfortable talking about those type of numbers. They're used to making that type of income and the plans to achieve that type of income. And guess what? They're striving to go from 6 figures to 7 figures. And you want that type of aggressiveness and that type of vision in your business. So Kelly comes on board, and right away she placed a couple of folks under her to start off those 2 teams. You want to have someone that you want to work with in those 2 teams. So you always recommend that they fill those first 2 slots immediately. So she did that in the first 24 hours. Now next, we had a get-together at our house on Saturday of this first week, and I told Beth and Heidi, look, I don't want to do this get-together unless we have 4 people or more. Well, the house ended up being full. I think we have a couple of video clips. Will we get those up, Johnny, soon?
Yeah, today.
All right. So we have a couple of clips from that, and I got to tell you, the party was supposed to be, it was just a little bit of a business training for some of the new people that had come into Kelly's group already in the first week, and it ended up being, instead of a 2-hour get-together, probably a 4 or 5-hour get-together, because everyone there was signing up as All-Stars afterwards, and signing up people that, their kids, and even other people that weren't even there. People were signing up their moms and their people they know as All-Stars just by being at that event. So that group has gone from 0, and then Kelly got started, and then within the first week, she now has 12 to 14 All-Stars. I think there's still a couple that they're attempting to put in even as we speak. So in 1 week's time, that's the type of growth that can occur when you've got someone that has a big vision from day one. So exciting stuff. A couple other things we want to tell you guys about is that just like every business period, at the beginning of this business period, we mapped out every person's goals and emailed them out. You may see some emails like that we post just so you can see what we do. We map out who's close to the next bonuses, who's close to the next leadership level, and what slots need to be filled in the organization to achieve those things. So those have already been sent out in the beginning of the first week, and not just sending those out, but then getting on the phone with those people and making a plan to come up with that volume or to come up with those new people. That, of course, is key. So now we're just keeping on top of those folks, making sure they have the people in place and the prospecting going on to achieve that. A lot of our groups this week started some new joint venture projects, things like the Dropboxes. And we will post our example of a Dropbox flyer, which is a lead box that you put in a business and offer someone a free week's worth of product, whether it be skincare or health products, whatever it is. We'll post our example of a flyer to put in those type of businesses this week. And already, for example, Beth got a call today from her friend Renee. 10 prospects already dropped their name in the first week, and the lady forgot to promote it. It was just sitting there on the counter, and she got a call today just saying, oh yeah, I found the box that was on the counter, and there's 10 prospects there. So just a great way to have local folks that are interested in your products, or they wouldn't put their name in the first place to get a free week. So joint ventures this week are something that we're launching here in Business Period 12. Also this week, Johnny and I are working on some marketing, and we've been emailing out some things, and we're going to be turning on some marketing for our type of products in the UK, in Denmark, in Germany, in Japan, and in Taiwan this week to attempt to come up with some leaders that want to run a health business in those countries. And we'll keep you posted on our progress with that type of marketing. And we're also sending an email out to all the members and people that have bought products from us in the past that are no longer buying. We're going to redirect them to buying this week and come up with a special offer for them, like the Optimal Health packets at the wholesale price to get back started on products, or maybe to try products for the first time. Maybe they just bought a kids product or a skincare the first time, something like that. So that email will go out to hundreds and hundreds of people this week, and we'll let you know how that goes as well. So we're launching every possible initiative this week before the holiday, so we can finish up in the last week of the business period with a lot of follow-ups to do, because the fortune is in the follow-up. So we'll have joint ventures. We have a meeting tomorrow night for Kelly's group at her house. We're expecting at least 20 to 30 people. So we're going to plan to spend at least 2 hours there enrolling everyone afterwards, set up another get-together the following week, even though it's a holiday week, and then set up a big get-together the last week of the business period for that group. We're launching the joint ventures in the local community, and then also with all these new team members, we're asking every one of them, who do you know that's a health professional? Who do you know that owns a business that has walk-in traffic, a hairdresser, a nail salon, a chiropractor, you name it? We're getting team members to work with those folks so we can use that entire database instead of just building one at a time. And at the same time, we're still following the basics of our industry, which is making sure that every person that comes in gets the word out, builds a customer base, fills their first 2 spots, and gets those 2 spots up and rolling, because just doing those things guarantees residual growth every single week. So that's our week 1 update. Enjoy your week and weather, no matter where you're dialing in from or watching from, and we'll give you an update here super soon. Have a good day.